Welcome guys to Action Bay channel, and today I will show you how you can make a good thumbnail for your video. So let's find out. Okay, just keep this all aside. Yeah, so for that you will need an application. Yeah, thumbnail maker. Just click on the application. You can download this application from Google Play Store. So here you can see create a thumbnail. Just click on it, and now you can see so many images, beautiful images you can use for your thumbnail as a background. So if you don't want this, then go to the gallery and select the image which you have already downloaded or already which you want. Okay, so yeah, this is the image which I already captured. You can adjust the size of the image. Yeah, then you can add some text or add images to your thumbnail. So once again, yeah, here is the beautiful Dragoon versus Bloody Longinus. Okay, adjust it between, and if you want to add the text, then you can add. Boom. You can select the color, font, shadow, anything. So I select this font, this font, then I go for color. This color looks cool. Then I adjust the size a little bit. So yeah, now my thumbnail is ready. So I click here done. But if you want something extra in your thumbnail, you can add effects if you want. But I want to make this thumbnail very much simple. You can add text, stickers, effect, image, background, anything you want. So I will click here done. So yeah, image, I will save this as an image in my gallery. So I click here, and then I go in gallery. So yeah, you can see the image is been saved. So but if you don't want this watermark thumbnail maker, then you can go for edit option in your mobile phone, and you can crop it a little bit. Yeah, now see, the watermark is gone. Then just save it. Yeah, and the thumbnail is ready. So here it is. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe our channel Action Bay for getting such kind of amazing videos. So thank you, over now.